Evaluating your CEO's performance requires a strategic, transparent, and collaborative approach, uniquely balancing the dynamics of leadership hierarchies. HR leaders, board members, and fellow C-suite executives all play crucial roles in this critical process. Here's an action-oriented guide to effectively managing your CEO's evaluation. Begin by clearly defining specialized KPIs tailored explicitly to the CEO's responsibilities. Focus on metrics such as organizational profitability, technology strategy, and employee engagement. These KPIs are more than numbers. They are your compass for enhancing your CEO's strategic thinking and visionary leadership skills. Initiate the evaluation using AssessTEAM by selecting the periodic evaluation template, customizing the process to match your organization's strategic objectives, and scheduling evaluations at consistent intervals. Actively engage evaluators from diverse organizational levels, including board members, C-suite executives, and senior HR leaders, ensuring comprehensive, balanced feedback. The board members will evaluate the CEO on KPIs, such as increasing revenue growth, improving profitability margins, reducing operational costs, and reducing financial risk exposure. The CTO will evaluate the CEO on KPIs, such as increasing innovation and technology adoption, reducing technology debt, improving product development cycle time, and reducing IT operational costs. The HR leaders will evaluate the CEO on KPIs, such as increasing employee engagement, improving employee retention rate, increasing employee productivity, and improving diversity and inclusion. With advanced customization and signature requirements. Your evaluations are tailored and authenticated. Conduct evaluations digitally with AssessTEAM, providing clear, actionable, and strategic feedback aimed at organizational improvement. Conclude by selecting Finish Evaluation and consider endorsing this evaluation to reinforce trust. Use the Send for Signature option to get the board chairperson's approval on the evaluation. Once evaluations are complete, quickly synthesize the data within the platform to identify performance trends, strengths, and areas needing attention. Share these insights transparently with your CEO and key stakeholders to facilitate strategic discussions. Collaborate on actionable improvement plans, ensuring regular follow-ups and reinforcing a culture of accountability and continuous leadership development. Using this structured yet flexible approach ensures your CEO's evaluation contributes positively to both leadership effectiveness and organizational success.